Hi, this is a tutorial on changing your transfer case fluid on your GR Corolla. Connected to the engine is the bell housing, the transmission, which wraps around here, and this is the transfer case. This is the drain plug, and there's going to be a fill plug in the pocket over there. The manual specifically points out this fill plug, which is not the fill plug to be used. If you do use it, it will overfill it. This is the technique I use to loosen the fill plug. That is a Wera wrench with a 10mm Harbor Freight bit. Just crack it loose with the wrench. Be sure to not put so much force that you will hit the transfer case and potentially crack it. Do not use the wrench to fully loosen, or else you might hit the back of it and get stuck. Once you loosen the fill plug, loosen the drain plug all the way. Be sure to remove the old gasket. It looks like this. Clean off the excess oil from the drain hole. Then get your drain plug with a new gasket and thread it into the hole. The torque for the drain plug as well as the fill plug are 29 foot-pounds. The fill plug will also have a gasket, so be sure to remove it. Then use your pump to put in fluid until fluid comes dripping out. So unfortunately, it's not possible to fit a torque wrench in this cavity. Toyota recommends using a special extended crow's foot wrench to accomplish this task. However, I'm just going to guesstimate a 29 foot-pound torque. Now here it is, all buttoned up. I put some torque viz on it. I also put this temperature strip on it so I can monitor temperature when I change the fluid next time.